Hi LinkedIn, I'm back. Today I'm going to elaborate more on the natural language processing basic data cleaning pipeline using NLTK as well as the SpaceI. So let's see how it works. Created, and this notebook is available in my GitHub repository. Just I will give you the overall update. First I tried to explore my data, what is there inside, and I have just checked for the labels and the text list. After that I have just checked the length of my label list and the text list, and I found that there is a one length label list is more than the text list. So I just strip off the last element appearing, which is the empty string in the label list, and while creating the data frame I have just did the -1 for the row numbers, column number, so that it will just remove that last element from that label list. So after that I have just printed my data frame first five rows, and I just tried to explore whether there are nulls present or not. I just put the regex expression to just list out the words present and remove all the white spaces and special characters appearing. So this is the basic data cleaning pipeline, which contains the remove punctuation, tokenization, remove stop words, and lemmatization or stemming depending upon what we require. So remove punctuation, basically the string library has all the punctuations in the Python. So we have to, what happens in a Python is if there are punctuations present, the just like I tried to map two strings, it will turns out gives the result false because there is no punctuation present in the second string. So we need to remove the punctuation before doing any kind of a text analysis. So this, for that I have just defined one function and I have removed the uh, all my punctuations. Then after that, tokenization. So what tokenization does is it just separate out the words, so it just tokens the words. So if you see my body text tokenized column, then it is giving me all the words separated out with a comma. What I did while applying the tokenization is that I have converted all my text into the lowercase, because in Python if there is a change in the case, like it is a case sensitive, so it doesn't match both the name, even though those are implies to the same thing like NLP, even as it is a case sensitive, it turns out the result as false. So it is very important to make it as a lowercase. Then I removed the stop words, and you can see that what the stop words removing does is just remove the for, the, all kind of I, all these words which are appearing frequently in the text and doesn't count much towards the context of a text. Stemming does, what the stemming does is, see, I have given a simple example where I try to stem the grows, growing, and grow. What does is find out see kind of a common string between all these three, and if it is a noun, that time it will come up with like yeah, it can separate it out, but it is quite tricky. If we see the lemmatization, what lemmatization does is, if there is a difference between the two words, like meanness and meaning are two different contextual words, so lemmatization gives those as the separate words. But if I do the stemming for the both the words, it just gives me mean as the stemmed word, which is like I'm losing the context sometimes. So this is just the difference between the stemming and lemmatization, and it either or kind of a thing. If we need the stemming, we can go for a stemming, but if we want to understand the context more, it is better to go for the lemmatization. So this is the basic data cleaning pipeline. I just tried to explore the same things in the using the SpaceI, as lots of production systems nowadays use that SpaceI. I read the article about it and thought that I will include it in my this video. So the same processes I followed, that tokenization, did the POS tagging as well, which I didn't do in NLTK, but we can do the same in NLTK as well. So what basically the SpaceI do is, like, it has the display C, which gives you the visualization of your data, like if you are giving any sentence and if you have the noun, pronouns, verbs kind of stuff, it will just visualize it, as well as it will gives the same kind of results which NLTK gives, but it seems that it is a faster in production system, so most of the times it is used in the industries. So it will just works same as the NLTK, but you can just explore it more. I will provide some of the useful links in my post as well. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. I will come up with the next video with more advanced techniques in the NLP, like vectorization, why do we need it, and how these all these steps I explained contribute towards the text analysis. Thank you. Hope you liked it. I'm welcome for the suggestions or the feedback if you guys have. So just feel free to comment or message me, and I will come up with more interesting topics. So stay tuned and bye for now.